Hi there, my name is James Bannan and welcome to this Pluralsight course, Manage Azure Kubernetes Infrastructure. I'm a consultant and Azure architect based in Melbourne, Australia. I've authored a number of Pluralsight courses on Microsoft Azure and helping customers migrate to Azure, optimize investments, and transform workloads is the main focus of what I do every day. This course will enable you to plan and deploy Azure Kubernetes Service using a range of tools and infrastructure configurations, perform infrastructure tasks against AKS, understand how AKS interacts with the Azure platform, and use what you've built to deploy complex applications to AKS. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding the foundational architecture of AKS and what you need to do in order to deploy AKS successfully, the various configuration options which are available in AKS, and how to uncover the business and technical requirements which will help you make the right choices, how to provision AKS using a fully templated deployment solution, and how to make use of package management to deploy a multi-tier application to AKS. By the end of this course, you'll have a thorough understanding of the infrastructure which underpins and enables AKS, how AKS interacts with the underlying Azure platform, and how to plan ahead to make sure that your AKS cluster is configured in the best possible way to match your business and technical requirements. Before beginning the course, you should already be familiar with Microsoft Azure. This is not an introductory course to Azure, so we're going to assume prior working knowledge about the platform, including understanding Microsoft Azure Resource Manager and Azure CLI. It will also help if you've had some prior exposure to Kubernetes, but we will provide resources for further foundational learning in this area so that you can focus on learning all about AKS. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about planning, deploying, and managing Azure Kubernetes Service Infrastructure in this course, Manage Azure Kubernetes Infrastructure at Pluralsight.